Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today I will explain about the basic configuration and operation of the timeline panel. Let's begin! Let's start! The Sequence tab shows the name of the currently selected sequence. Timecode shows the current playhead position in hours. If the Insert or Overwrite sequences as Nest or as Individual Clips button is turned on, even if the sequences have been edited apart, they will be loaded as one sequence when placed in the timeline. If the Insert or Overwrite sequence as Nest or Individual Clip button is off, you can place the sequence in the timeline as you are editing it. When the Snap button is turned on, when you place a clip on the timeline or move the clip, you can snap it to the edit point, playhead, or another clip. If any of the linked objects is selected when the Linked Selection button is activated, all linked objects will be selected. For example, if video and audio are linked and you want to delete only the audio, you can turn off this button once and select only the audio and delete it. With a clip selected, click the Add Marker button to add a marker to the selected clip. Click the Add Marker button when no clip is selected to add a marker at the current head position. By clicking the Timeline Display setting, you can finally set what is displayed on the timeline. You can lock tracks so that they cannot be edited by turning on track lock switching. When the target track is turned on, when you move the edit point with the up and down keys of the keyboard, you can move the edit point only in the timeline where the target track is on. When Switch Sync Lock is turned on, you can cut and insert at the same time by synchronizing with other tracks during editing. If you turn on Switch Sync Lock and press the Insert button, you can insert only the tracks that were turned off without synchronizing. When track output switching is turned on, the tracks that are turned on are displayed, and when turned off, the entire tracks are hidden. Double-click here to expand the track and rename the track. You can add keyframes to the timeline by clicking Add Keyframe. You can also move the playhead to a keyframe position by clicking the Add Left and Right keyframe buttons. If you turn Mute on for a track, you can mute only that track. If you turn on a solo track, you can hear only that track. If you click on VoiceOver Recording, you can record the voice later and insert it into the timeline as it is. You can adjust the volume of the entire audio track by adjusting the track volume here. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.